Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can change your Aramex account password. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Aramex app on your phone. So after opening the app here, tap on the My Account option that you can see on the navigation bar in the bottom right corner right here. And after tapping on it, you can tap on the email address option that you can see right here. So after doing so, there will be the requirement of entering a password. All you have to do is tap on Forgot Password right here, even though you remember your password. And after tapping on it here, you can see this will take you to this particular page where now you have to type down your email. Simply just type down the email that you have registered for your Aramex account. And after you have typed down your email address, what you're going to do is tap on the Submit option right here. And after that, there you can see the notification email with instruction has been sent to you. That means that an email has been sent to you, so just check it out on your mailbox. Here you can see the Aramex has sent me the mail. Simply tap on it. And there you can see this is the mail that they have sent me, and all you have to do is tap on the Reset My Password right here. And this will take you to this particular page where now you have to type in your new password for your Aramex account. So after you have typed down your password, you have to type down your password one more time for the confirmation right here. And after you have done that, what you're going to do is tap on the Submit option right here. And just like this, there will be a login page. Simply just log into your account using your new password. And there you can see now you have been logged into your Aramex account like this, and you have successfully changed your Aramex account password. And that is it. That is how you can change your Aramex account password. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.